participated in my first Streetcar Takeover, and it happened in Concord at the ZMAX Dragway. It was a lot of fun. I'm going to show you my testing tunes to see where I placed my dial-in time for the class that I entered. I only entered into one class, which was the Women in Wheels. It was a lot of fun. It was about 20 women that participated, the most I've ever seen, and I love seeing women getting into car racing. It's absolutely phenomenal. Take a look. Setting my dial-in time to 10.50. Now, bracket racing is one that I do not like because you can play the numbers game, but at the same time, I'm not used to it just yet. So I set my dial-in time to 10.50. Usually people set their dial-in time to a time that's a little bit slower to give them, a better grace period when coming off the line. Well, this was my first competition where now I see where the numbers game does give you an advantage. So I was knocked out of the quarterfinals. These are my 3 runs that I ran in the Women in Wheels at the Streetcar Takeover. can see the Camaro ZL1 was moving. That's a nice build. It's really a 10-second car, so I won the first round because she broke her time. Next race.